It is Jennifer and David here with David Christopher's. We're the owner of David Christopher's, which is an import/wholesale company, and we have a retail store. You can shop with us online at davidchristopher's.com. But today, we are usually coming to you with showing you how to decorate a Christmas tree, how to make a wreath, how to decorate garland, and things like that. But today is a special day because we are actually giving something away to one lucky winner who is a subscriber of our YouTube channel. David, do you want to do the honors and tell them what we're giving away?
We would like to help you decorate a Christmas tree just like David Christopher's. So we're going to give you all of the decorations you need to make your Christmas tree look just like one of our themes. So you need to vote on which theme you like the most.
We're going to show you all the trees, and you will need to comment with which tree you would like to win the decorations for. So you will win all the decorations you see on that tree, and make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for your chance to win. And you'll also see down in the description a list of the official rules. You have to read those. It's required for us to put those in there.
There
Take
are
a look.
rules,
There are rules.
But we are giving away all the decorations needed to do the tree of your choice that you vote on.
So happy voting, happy subscribing, and best wishes to everyone who participates in this Christmas tree decoration giveaway.
Yay!
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Word of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore